spices and aromas. Today I am bringing you a very special recipe, a tribute to my beloved neighbor Lily Pinto, who was not just a wonderful cook but who made every meal memorable. We don't have a name for this dish, we simply call it Auntie Lily's pork. Even though she is not with us, she has left this wonderful treasure with us, which I am honored to share with you. This dish tastes similar to another Manglorean classic dish, pork pada, in which we marinate the pork and sun dry it for intense flavors. This dish has its own twist, so I am calling it Manglorean spicy pork. I have already marinated the pork with salt and turmeric powder and let it rest for 4 hours to soak up all the flavor. In case you are short of time, you can do it without marination. Now we will fry the pork with just 1 tablespoon of oil. As it cooks, the pork will release its own fat. Just brown it slightly on both sides. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes, and please do write about your suggestions and opinions in comment section. Remember not to fry the pork pieces for longer time as it may get hard. I will also share my links for my other pork recipes like indaad, Coorgi pork and Bafat in the description box. Please do check out and let me know. Now that our pork pieces are fried, let's keep it aside. Do not discard the fat or the oil that is left after frying. We need it while frying the masala. Now let's prepare our spicy masala. I have taken 25 red chilies, 1 tablespoon pepper, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon mustard, 5 cloves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon. You can also add tamarind, but I have taken half cup of vinegar. So you can both mix tamarind and vinegar. I follow Auntie Lily's method. She uses only vinegar. Salt to taste. I have also added salt while marination, so keep this in mind. Also half teaspoon of turmeric. And all the ingredients into a smooth paste. Now comes the most important step, frying the masala. Use the same oil or fat that is left after frying the pork for maximum flavor. The longer you fry the masala, better it tastes, so be patient here. This step takes a bit of your time as you have to fry it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Wait until the masala absorbs all the oil, it gets a bit dried, and then you can see the fat floating on top. Just see here, you can see there is a small portion of fat floating on top, which means your masala is well fried. You can also see a slight change in the color of the masala. Now add the masala water. Add enough water to make a curry with a thick consistency. Once you see the curry boiling, add the fried pork pieces and mix it up. Let it cook on slow fire for about an hour to allow the flavors to blend beautifully. If you are short on time, you can pressure cook it for just 1 whistle. This dish can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 months, perfect for your busy days. For better preservation, do not follow the pressure cooking method. Use the slow cooking method. It's 1 hour up and you can see the pork fat is floating on top, which means the pork is perfectly cooked. You can serve this dish just the way it is or fry some onions and potatoes and serve alongside this dish. It's so delicious, trust me, one bite and you'll keep coming back for more. Thank you so much.